Hi,
Hello.
welcome to another Cabina Doppia's video. Today we are having a short video tutorial of one of the hottest topics in the industry right now, and it's going to be a video tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to set up at the very beginning the brand new piece of software, Terpmate.
Yeah, so if you enjoyed our previous video where we made a comprehensive review of GreenTerp's Terpmate, I think you are going to like this as well. But
Yeah.
before moving on
moving
to
on.
the first steps of this new tutorial series, we would like to remind you that if you want, you can always subscribe to this channel if you like our content, and you can always find us on any social network by looking up Cabina Doppia.
Yes, and also don't forget to have a look at our website www.cabinadoppia.com, where you will find useful material for interpreters and also training courses for interpreting technologies. But let's move to today's topic. Today
So,
we will talk about how to first configure Terpmate, and more specifically how to select the incoming audio input, and also how to choose among the different ASR engines available.
if you've seen our previous video on the comprehensive review, we advised you to download both Terpmate and the GTE audio controller for audio routing.
Yes.
So when you open Terpmate, you will see both windows popping up. So first of all, always make sure to choose where it says V speaker, where you want the output audio to come. So for example, if you're working on a booth or in RSI, your headphones.
Yes.
And the vMic, so what is listening, to put your own microphone.
Yeah, the microphone. So this is the setting, the first configuration.
And you'll be using this for system audio if you're using the GT Online ASR engine.
Yes.
But let's take a look at the whole screen right now. So this is the home page, let's say. So this is how the program opens. And we, first of all, will need to go into the settings.
Settings, yes.
Because we will need to set up everything first. So you know that you can adjust the font size, the color. So for example, the glossary entries and numbers, by default you will see them in red, but you can change the color. And also when it's recognizing the text, you will see it in green before it turns to black, but you can change the color too here.
So very easy to customize.
Dark or bright mode, according to your own preferences. For this video we are using bright mode so that it might be a little bit more visible, but you can always turn to dark mode if you prefer.
But the most important settings are the following.
The languages. So the primary and the secondary language. Let's leave tertiary language aside for a moment. So,
primary language.
in this case, you need to select the language. So primary and secondary language. So for example, you have an assignment, you have to interpret between English and Italian. So you can set English, United States or United Kingdom, it depends. And secondary language, Italian, or the other way around. But still you'll need to, if you are uploading a glossary, you need to respect the order of the glossary. So if on the left-hand side column you have English, put English as primary language.
And
vice versa,
let me just remind you that, of course, we will make a video about how to, upload and activate glossaries on Terpmate. But for now, let's just stick to today's topic, how to configure.
And this is the first part. And then we have a second part, on the right side, where it's equally important. You'll have to choose your ASR engine of choice.
Yes.
We are on Windows, so on Windows you have three options, three possibilities. It's a little bit different on Mac OS, so if you have Mac OS, just follow until now, then open it and see what are the possibilities. And you can choose between GT Online, which is the online model that we've already tested, Microsoft Offline, and GreenTerp Offline. So what you need to know here, if you're choosing the GT Offline model, you will see that ASR model will pop up. So you will need to choose a model, and you have to download it before actually being able to use the offline model.
Yes, as you can see, we've downloaded English, Spanish, and Italian, which are our working languages. And of course, you can download as many languages as you want.
Yes, as many languages as these are there. I mean,
the ones available, currently available, but there are quite a few.
There are quite a few, and they're increasing the choice. So
good.
It's being evolved.
This is the first step.
Or you can select the Microsoft offline. And what will it do? So first of all, it will ask you to activate the Windows Live Captions. How can I say? Windows Live Captions mode.
Yeah.
And it tells you many ways how to do it. Then after you've configured it, what happens is that when you start the ASR engine, it will activate it on its own. So we might test it this way. So just to show you.
Microsoft offline.
So we close it, and then you have to choose the input source. We are using this microphone.
Yes.
So in this case, QCU Samsung microphone, English, and then we start. And as you can see, the computer will do some things. Will start the live captioning.
Yes.
And in a moment, you should see the text appearing.
At the beginning, it takes a while. It is a little bit slow when starting, but then he has just started transcribing what we are saying. As you can see, he's quite accurate, I would say. So, would you say something, Francesco?
Yeah, I would like to remind you that this is the offline version of the ASR engine. And as you can see, even though it is the offline version, and so it's a more limited model compared to the online one, it's still quite fast, and it's recognizing it pretty well. And as the developers of Terpmate said, Terpmate is an offline-first ASR platform, so that this will have also privacy in mind and, data confidentiality.
Absolutely. And let us just conclude by saying that in the next videos that will come up in the next few days, we will go step by step and guide you through the whole process. And we will also talk about how to, activate and upload glossaries and many, many other interesting functions that are currently available on this free of charge piece of software called Terpmate.
So we hope you liked this short video on some introductory functions of Terpmate, and we'll see you next time.
See you next video. Bye-bye.